sa mga makabuluhang programa at magagaling na hosting at pagganap. And we are now about to give out the 3 major awards. The most awaited, kaya hindi na natin ito patatagalin pa. Narito po ang mga mahuhusay nating aktor na naglalaban-laban bilang Best Drama Actor.
For Best Drama Actor, Alden Richards, Pulang Araw, GMA7. Coco Martin, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, A to Z and TV5. David Licauco, Pulang Araw, GMA7. Donnie Pangilinan, Can't Buy Me Love, ABS-CBN and A to Z. Jericho Rosales, Lavender Fields, A to Z and TV5. Piola Pascual, Pamilya Sagrado, A to Z and TV5. Paolo Abilino, Linlang, A to Z and TV5. And Ruru Madrid, Black Rider, GMA7.
And the star for Drama Actor of the Year goes to Piola Pascual for Pamilya Sagrado.
Presenting the trophy from the PMPC is President Mel Navarro.
Matutuwa nanay ko nito. Magandang gabi po ulit sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat PMPC. This never gets old. I'd just like to thank you guys on behalf of my Pamilya Sagrado family. From Dito Deo, who believed in the project from the beginning. Our Dreamscape family. Hindi ko na iisa-isahin kasi baka inaantok na kayo. Pero lahat po na bumubuo ng ABS-CBN, maraming salamat. Of course, for always coming up with shows that matter. And maraming salamat po sa sumubaybay sa Pamilya Sagrado. I share this award with all my co-actors in Pamilya Sagrado at sa anak ko na si Inigo. At sana po ay patuloy pa rin tayong gumawa ng mga teleserye na talaga nagsasalamin sa buhay nating mga Pilipino. Maraming salamat PMPC. Napakasaya ng tulog ko nito. God bless you.
Congratulations kay PJ Well Deserved. At narito naman po ang mga nominado bilang Drama Actress of the Year.
For Best Drama Actress, Andrea Brillantes, Senior High, A to Z and TV5. Barbie Forteza, Pulang Araw, GMA7. Bea Alonzo, Widow's War, GMA7. Bel Mariano, Can't Buy Me Love, A to Z and TV5. Jeneline Mercado, Love, Die, Repeat, GMA7. Jody Santa Maria, Lavender Fields, A to Z and TV5. Kim Chu, Linlang, A to Z and TV5. And Marian Rivera, My Guardian Alien, GMA7.
And the star for Drama Actress of the Year goes to Kim Chu for Linlang.
Presenting the trophy from the PMPC, past president and overall chairman, Rodel Cantando.
Tanggap ako ng tanggap ng kung ano-anong award. Ako pala tatanggap sa sarili kong award. May pangalan ko. Paano ko sisimulan? Pero, Best Drama Actress, Kim Chu, thank you so much! PC, maraming salamat. Hello! Hanggang mamaya pa tayo. Pero, maraming salamat sa Linlang dahil ito yung show na hindi ko aakalain na gagawin ko siya. Ang daming nabigay sa akin na validation as an actress dahil sa show na ito. And kung saan-saan na rin ako dinala dahil din sa palabas na to. And kay Juliana na
hindi ko alam na magagampanan pala kita. Natatakot akong gawin ka. Pero sabi nga nila, hindi ka mag-grow kung hindi mo haharapin yung kinakatakutan mo. Kaya maraming salamat. And syempre, ino-offer ko to sa pinakamamahal kong Sir Deo. Thank you so much dahil ikaw yung unang taong naniwala sa akin. And sa Star Magic family, Direk Loren, sa handler ko, Ate Edith, and sa director ko, Direk FM Reyes, Direk Jojo Sagin, maraming salamat po sa pasensya at pag-guide niyo po sa akin. At sa mga co-stars ko, thank you for helping Juliana na umalagwa. Kaya thank you. Salamat talaga sa Dreamscape family. Sobrang salamat. As in, sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa akin. Thank you so much. At syempre sa PMPC, thank you for this recognition at sa laging pagtanggol sa amin, sa mga press na nandito, sa laging pagtanggol sa akin sa mga bashers, ganyan. Kaya maraming salamat. This means so much to me. Thank you.
That's Mimi!
Di ba tayo tapos? Ito yung sipaw eh. And our next and final award for the night is definitely not the least. This is the biggest award for the night, and here are the nominees for Best TV Station.
For Best TV Station, A to Z, Aliw Channel 23, All TV, Billionario News Channel, GMA 7, GTV, IBC 13, INC TV, Knowledge Channel, Net 25, PTV4, RPTV, TV5, and UNTV 37.
And the star for Best TV Station goes to GMA 7.
Presenting the trophy from the PNPC is President Mel Navarro.
Go ahead, RJ. Let's go. Nakakuha rin ng award. Ay, isa pala kanina yung star of the night. But anyway, check. Kidding aside po, on behalf of GMA, I would like to accept this award. And the management po and all the people in the network says a huge amount of thanks po to the PNPC. Maraming salamat po for this recognition. Napapanahon po ito dahil ipinagdiriwang po ng GMA ang kanilang ika-75 anibersaryo, which is our diamond year. So asahan niyo po na kami po sa GMA ay patuloy na gagawa ng makabuluhan at mga proyektong magbibigay inspirasyon sa ating mga manonood. And here's to more years of growth and collaboration po. And para po to sa ating industriya at maraming salamat po muli sa PNPC. Thanks so much. And congratulations, Jimmy!
Congratulations, GMA7, Best TV Station, and Best Drama Actor, Piolo Pascual.
And Best Drama Actress came too.
And to all our winners for tonight, you have all been part of Philippine television history as you are now considered among the best of television in the 38th year of the Star Awards for TV.
Thank you to the PNPC for this great tradition, and thank you to our producer, Airtime Marketing Philippines Incorporated, and its president, Ms. Tessie Celestino Howard, its partner, Myriad Entertainment Corporation, our director, Direk Eric Quizon, and the whole production staff for a great show.
Congratulations as well to all the TV networks who never stop making great TV programs for the Filipino family all over the world. And to you, the Filipino viewers, thank you so much for watching our programs. You are the real winners in our hearts.
You know, with this comes our promise of bringing you better programs and more exciting shows in the years to come.
Philippine television will always be at its best with your support. You'll always be our strength and inspiration.
And we will see you at the 39th PNPC Star Awards for television next year. To God be the glory.